Hello everyone, my name is Austin from Valet, and today I'll be showing you guys a tutorial on how to use your valet mode in your 2020 Chevrolet Spark. So, in order to access this feature, all you have to do is go to the settings. And once we get to the main screen right here, go to settings, make sure the thing is on vehicle, and then all you have to do is click on valet mode. And for valet mode to activate, all you have to do is to make sure you pick a code that you would like. But for this example, we're gonna make it easy, so we're gonna do 4 zeros and then click enter. To confirm the code again, you have to repeat it, the code that you just entered, and it's gonna lock for you. And just like that, it is locked. You cannot go anywhere unless this thing gets locked. So if you want to unlock it again, of course, make sure you put in the code that you put in previously. In my case, we're gonna put 4 zeros, unlock, and then it should go back into the regular menu. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this tutorial, you guys. My name is Austin from Valet, and thank you guys for watching.